Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving topics in the financial world, cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the future of money, this video will give you a solid understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's becoming increasingly popular. Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued by central banks, cryptocurrency is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Section 2. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded in a public ledger called a blockchain. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain by a network of computers, making it virtually impossible to hack or manipulate the system. Cryptocurrency can be bought and sold on exchanges or used to purchase goods and services. Section 3. Why is cryptocurrency gaining popularity? There are several reasons why cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly popular. For one, it provides a level of anonymity and security that traditional payment methods don't offer. Additionally, cryptocurrency is not subject to government regulations or interference, making it a popular choice for people who are distrustful of traditional financial institutions. Section 4. Potential risks and benefits of investing in cryptocurrency. While cryptocurrency can offer significant returns on investment, it's important to be aware of the potential risks as well. The market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. There are also concerns about cybersecurity and the potential for fraud. However, many investors believe that the benefits of cryptocurrency, such as decentralization and transparency, outweigh the risks. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief overview of cryptocurrency and why it's becoming increasingly popular. Whether you're interested in investing or simply fascinated by the technology, it's important to stay informed and be aware of the potential risks and benefits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.